Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial, I'm going to teach you step by step how you can host a Zoom meeting really quickly and with very little effort. So let us get started right away. Now, for this, you will need to launch the Zoom application installed on your device, be it on your PC or laptop. Log into your account, and here on your home screen, guys, you'll be given the opportunity to either schedule a meeting, share your screen, join an already running meeting, or become a meeting host yourself by clicking on meeting host meeting here to the left. So click on it, and after that you will be redirected to that small window here with this short setup. So guys, what you want to do is select the audio device and the display you would like to use for a Zoom meeting, like for instance your webcam or your screen share or a virtual camera. And once you're ready to take off, simply click on Start here to launch the Zoom meeting. After that, the Zoom meeting will be launched by Zoom Workplace. So what you want to do, guys, is for instance turn off or turn on your audio device or your camera here to the left. For instance, if you'd like to turn off the camera temporarily or mute yourself by disabling your audio device here to the left. Then here to the right we have the list of participating participants, so click on it, and here to the right you will see that panel, and at the bottom of it you will be given access to that invite button to invite new users to your ongoing Zoom meeting. So click on invite, and after that you will be asked by Zoom whether you'd like to invite participants via email or through a shareable link. So click on copy invite link here to invite new users to your meeting. So what you want to do also, guys, is use the chat window or text box here at the bottom of the chat window to communicate with your meeting participants. Attach file to your text, for instance, or to your message. For example, if you're hosting a conference or a class and you would like to share some learning material or resources with your students. Also, guys, you may, for instance, show a whiteboard presentation to your meeting participants by clicking on more here on these three dots and by selecting whiteboard, and here new whiteboard to the right. So what you want to do, guys, is for instance use that whiteboard to draw shapes or to enter text, or to use that simply for a presentation to share it with your meeting participants on screen. Also, guys, if you'd like to record your Zoom meeting, all you need to do is use the shortcut Alt-R on your keyboard, or alternately click on these three dots again here on more and select record from that drop down menu. That is going to allow you to record your meeting, to archive it so that you may use it later, for example for educational purposes. And that's basically it, guys. That's the basic features of stuff you may use as a meeting host. So if you'd like to end the meeting, simply click on end here to the right and decide whether you'd like to leave or end it for all. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.